Welcome in, ladies and gents. So today we are going to be looking at how we can create an image mask and give you custom webcam borders like this. So let's get into it. Okay, so what we need is a PNG file or a custom shape. Well, basically, we'll just show you. So this is what we're going to need to do. So I use pixlr. You can use whatever editing program you want, but it's free. It's on online, and you can do, as you can see a lot of my upcoming, or well, actually not upcoming, the ones that have been, and some of my thumbnails that I've made. I make them in here as well, but there are obviously different ways. Anyway, less of the waffling. So we're going to open up a blank page. We're going to go to here at the top. We're going to go to shape. The first thing I like to do is change it to black, because we need to change it to black. So you got the colour there. We can do on this, it's quite good because it gives you a load of already custom shapes. The one bit I also do need to change is just going to untoggle this bit here, and we're going to change that to 150 by 150, 1050 by 1050. There we go, and we're just going to center it, and it gives you basically a full screen from that. We can do your circles, your rounded rectangle shapes, so you can actually get a radial corner to that. So I know there are shader filters and stuff like that, but you can make it with this as well. But it also gives you a custom shape, so we can select any of these shapes. Obviously some are not very good, so things like that I wouldn't recommend necessarily, but hey, it's entirely up to you. But these are all preset, ready to go. There's some quite good ones. So you got that one, that's quite a nice one. It's something a little different. Yeah, so all we're going to do, we're going to select one. Where was it? We'll go with this one. So and it's simple as that. So all we're going to do is that, because the background is already a PNG one, there is no background there. We're going to save it. I don't know, I'll just call it image mask spike. Make sure you do save it as a PNG, and then we're going to download it. As soon as that's downloaded, just take a moment for some. You do get this. You do sometimes get the ads and stuff like that, so just ignore them. We're then going to go into OBS. I'm going to show you on a completely blank OBS what we're going to do. So we're going to add in a video capture device. I'm just going to call it that for now, and we're showing you with a completely blank one. I'm going to drag that to the center. Quite a good thing to do and get in the habit of doing with a lot of sources is just edit the transform, and then align it to center. So you've got that. If you do any other effects, so move transition and stuff like that, it's perfect for that. So once we've got that added in, we are going to right click. We're going to do filters. We're going to right click again in the effects filter section, and we are going to add, when I can find it because I've got so many plugins added, image mask blend. Again, call it whatever you want. If you've got it as a something else, then you're going to just call it whatever you like. We're going to go to alpha mask alpha channel. We're going to browse, add, and it'll be in my downloads. Select that one, add it in, and Bob is your uncle. We have an image mask. Obviously you can change whichever one you want, so you could maybe even have it as a points redeem on your channel and use something like a BQ bot or Leoron board or streamer bot, and then it can select different ones throughout. We are going to be doing in the next video, a little spoiler for you, we're going to show you how we're going to adjust the camera border even on awkward shapes like this, and be able to use a channel point so you can adjust the colour for your viewers, a random colour. Anyway, just keep an eye out for that one. That's the next video coming up. As for now, it's quite a simple, easy video to do, but it can add something a little bit different to your stream. As always, we're just trying to look at different ways of adjusting things, different ways of making things unique to your channel. So as for now, thank you once again. Make sure we do smash that like button. That gets the video out there to more people. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe, and we will catch you. Let's go large and in charge. Catch you in the next one, ladies and gents. Bye.